guys ready? Here we go. Come on, follow me. Let's go. Here's our trail. Oh, wow. Come on, doggies. This is so beautiful. I love it. Look how nice. Pretty colored flowers. Wow, this is neat. We're coming up into some fog. Better watch out. Oh, it's just moisture. You guys, look how freaky this looks. This is crazy. What are we doing? Hey, you two. Hey, my good-looking Asian.
Hey there. Oh.
Oops. I got too caught up looking at everything else. I didn't watch my step.
What? I'm pissed. I'm not going back to rest.
Ow! Oh my goodness, the flies bite, sting you or something or whatever you want to call it. But look at how beautiful this is, you guys. Man. Oh, this is fantastic.
Whoa.
Okay. Except for that. That's okay. I'm good. Come on. I don't know how long this trail is, but it's true, this is kind of spooky. You coming, Frankie? Okay. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Where are we going down? Oh my goodness, this is so crazy. And it smells beautiful. The smell is beautiful up here. Oh look, here's a sign. Alright. Sweet. Sweet sign. Let's see what it says. Oh. Oh. Hi. Come on.
Oh my gosh! Oh, beautiful!
Okay, you guys. This is how you eat when you go camping. Okay, here you go. Orange chicken. And white rice. What's that?
That's Mongolian beef.
Mongolian beef.
We got it from town
And more rice.
nearby.
And there's an egg roll in there.
Wow, that's a lot of orange chicken.
Yeah. We got them from a little Chinese restaurant in town that's nearby. Sitting by the fire, gonna have a dinner. Good looking Asian guy right there.
Hey, you know it's me. Knock it off.
Yeah, hi, Bubbies. Hi. He's eating. Not bad. Well, calm down, Daisy.